Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the place on YouTube where you can be inspired to make more income and impact. So today's topic is, what is copywriting and why does every business owner need copywriting? Okay, it is not copywriting that's to do with trademark. No, this copywriting is the process of writing to sell. Any written word is referred to as copy. Copywriting is the process of using words to sell. I mean, copywriting, writing is everywhere. The written word is the only way to get people to pay attention to what you're trying to say, and what you're trying to say. Do you know what I mean? For that reason, it's the most important part of your business. So copy refers to anything that is written. So this refers to any material on your website, your email, your newsletter, Facebook ads, headlines, articles, billboards. I mean, we can literally go on. Instagram captions, Facebook captions, LinkedIn captions, LinkedIn titles, email subject lines. I mean, we can literally go on. Even the title of your Clubhouse room, because I know you guys, if you're like me, have been on Clubhouse to networking and meeting new people. In a nutshell, copywriting is fixing whatever problem your reader, your audience has with ease. Put simply, copywriting is a marketing tool. It's a marketing tool that you need, everybody needs in their business. Like I said, the written word is the only way to get people to pay attention to what you're trying to say. It's about using the power of words to trigger an emotional response. As the saying goes, people buy from people, but in actual fact, people buy based on emotions, and that is how people make the decision to buy, subscribe, like, follow, share, and that's how things go viral too. But that's not all. If you want to be able to learn to write for your reader, you need to know who your audience is and who is your target audience. What lights them up, what makes them happy, what makes them sad. Is about knowing your reader inside out. When you understand your reader, you will know how to persuade. You will know how to write to sell. And that's why it's extremely important to know your reader. For example, say you're a financial coach. So your reader or your viewer could be somebody who's currently feeling frustrated, agitated, and probably angry at the fact that they have poor management skills when it comes to managing their finances, of course. They're probably frustrated that they just want to get on top of it. They might be feeling overwhelmed and there's just too much information. They want to be stress-free. They want to be financially savvy, and that is why they have these feelings, and that is why they feel agitated. The more feelings and attributes that you're able to identify with your audience, so the more likely you can compel them to take any action that you want. Like I said, like, share, subscribe, buy now, you name it. The more you know your audience, maybe your reader, your viewer, the more likely you're able to frame sentences and words in order to write for your reader. Are you guys still with me? Language is powerful and words carry power. It's using the power of words to evoke certain emotions that compels your reader to take action. You're able to write for your reader because you understand their emotional needs, you understand their feelings, and you know them really well. Like I said, people buy from people, but people make buying decisions based on how they emotionally feel. And because you know how your reader feels, you are able to write for your reader. But first, you need a plan. You need an objective. You need a reason why you're sending that email, writing that Instagram caption, creating that Facebook ad. You need to know the goal, because in essence, you need to know what you want your audience to know, feel, and do. And that do is what you want your audience to commit to. So now you're ready to write for your reader because you know them very, very, very well, because you know their feelings and you know why they feel the way that they do. But I'm going to share with you a simple formula on how to grab your reader's attention in the first place. So this simple formula is scientifically proven. It's like a loyal friend who's got your back. It's like a bonnet that you wear at night so your hair is protected. It's a formula that you can rely on, that you can count on. It's the formula that not only grabs your audience's attention, it compels them to take action when used in the right way. And that formula is known as AIDA. So let's take a look at the first letter in the formula, which is A. So A stands for attention. So it's about grabbing your audience's attention. Literally, go hard or go home. Sounds like a cliche, but it's true. And that's usually done using a good headline, a captivating image, or making a bold statement. So that's A for attention. So I want you to think about what you can do to grab your audience's attention. So the I in AIDA stands for interest. And now that you've grabbed their attention, now it's about keeping them interested to continuously read on. And the way that you do this is you highlight the problem to your audience and present yourself as the solution. Don't just tell them, show them by showing the benefits of your services or products. Be specific as to what benefits that they will gain from using your services and your products. So the next letter is D, and the D in AIDA stands for desire. And that is showing your audience how desirable your product is. And a way to do this is to paint a picture of what it's like to actually use your product or service. What is the transformation that they will gain from using you? Show them that the problem won't go away as long as they're happy to go without your product or service. The last part in the formula is adding a call to action, and that is telling your reader or your viewer or your listener exactly what you want them to do. Don't be vague. Use this time to be specific. When you're stating your call to action, be clear and direct. So now you know what copywriting is, why it's good for business, and you also know a simple formula that you can start using today. You know what to do. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and definitely share with your faves. Until next time.